Hi guys. So guys, this is how to log out. So guys, just read me. Stay there. Like, yo, what happened? It was just for sleepy and tomorrow and on the way we're gonna snake. We're gonna secret swim. I already sleep and I will hunt and I'll sneak Sabi's house. I'll show you. So Sabi's house is over here. The joke. So just. Oh, the wings! The winds!
What?
The winds!
What?
The wind!
Anong gawin? Hmm? Ano update?
Say hi to the vlog.
Ay. Okay, no.
O yung voices of Guima.
Itututik ko na nga.
Mag-aircon ka?
Yeah. I was different. Really, I will here.
Bakit mami iihi ka? Tingnan mo ano mo, yung pajama mo.
And you will tell
Halika dito,
me.
ayusin ko lang yung pajama mo.
It will tamely.
Akin na, ayusin ko muna yung pajama mo. Iihi ka pa eh. Hawakan mo to. Hawakan mo to. Ka.
Kasi di ba no?
Talikod. Pinapawisan ka na, ano ba yan?
Just what I look like.
Nabibigyan ako ng aircon.
Yako!
Maupag!
What? Okay, guys, try action. Yako! What?
Uusog dito yung ano eh. Ayoko tuyo. Iihi ka pa? Iihi ka.
Turn on your lights. Nag-video pa.
Hindi na, mag-sleep na.
Okay, bye-bye. Let me know.
Hey!
Wait, just wait.
Hey! Hindi ka pa nagpipi.
Iihi ka na doon, iihi ka
Wait.
na. Go na.
Kunin ko yung ano mo, alam mo.
I'll put the country book.
Go ka na, dali. Punta ka na doon. Ang kulit naman. Bilisan mo muna, balikan mo na yan. Sige na. Ay, ang hirap kausap.
Wag.
Iihi ka muna doon. Saling ka na ng cellphone. Ayun.
How to act when you see a train in person. Quickly look away. Slowly look back. Slight smile. Look down. Slowly look up and down. Start to wave high and then change your mind. Now laugh to yourself. Now dead serious. Now blow them a kiss. Blow them another kiss. Now blow them a French kiss.
Sorry, guys. Wait, where's Rush? What? Okay. Okay, I put my controller there. Here.
Anonymous Pinoy. Confessions. Ukulele. Hi, I am now 25 from Manila. Back when I was
After that, we're gonna
yung
get
naging crush ko
South
noon.
Korea.
Sobrang ganda niya. Slim, maputi, chinita,
South
wavy hair.
Korea.
I was just an ordinary guy back then. Di
There,
malaki ang friend group ko. Kaya mostly nung kaklase ko,
Eh?
ang first impression sa akin ay tahimik lang. Now, the girl I have a crush on, siya na ata ang pinakakilalang student sa batch namin. Dahil na rin sa ganda niya and sa talent niya. Yes, she sings and she draws. With that, alam
Okay,
ko wala
guys.
akong pag-asa sa kanya. So I just appreciated her on the sidelines.
Abot mo sa akin na kayo
Habang
yung
namimili siya sa harap ng
smile.
malaking friend group niya, nakaupo lang ako, ina-appreciate siya from afar.
Sorry, let's go.
Pagpapasko na, and may Christmas party kami. Since grade 12 na kami nun, alam namin na last Christmas party na namin yung bago kami mag-graduate. With that, I'm actually magpa-practice to confess my crush.
Fun, Papa. Guys, this is how I upload this. Tomorrow I'll upload this until I get 5 videos. Okay, I'm really sure. So, goodbye. See ya. Okay, bye-bye. Here's Wes Andre's mom to the 5 to age 6. Okay, customers, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.